In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and open any browser that you are using on your Windows. Now let's open the Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match. Okay, so here in the search bar, simply type Visual Visual C++ redistributable Tributable for Visual Studio. Okay, so simply follow me. 2013. Hit enter. Now you'll find this one from www.microsoft.com. Visual Studio 2013. Click on that. And here you have to select the language. So click on the drop down arrow and choose the language. So let me just go with English language. Click on the download button. Now here you have to choose for the file name that you want to download depending on the architecture of your Windows. Now if you don't know what is your system type, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match and look for the system type. So I am an x64 based PC or 64-bit PC. So here we can find this one. Click on that. Click on download. Now once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then you have to double click on it to install it. Okay, so in my case, I have already installed this in my Windows. That's why I have the option repair or uninstall. But in your case, once you double click on the setup file, it will ask you the option to install it. So simply click the install button and wait for it to be installed into your Windows. And once installed, you just need to simply restart your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So if this video is valuable for you, then please do not forget to hit and subscribe. That will help us for producing more videos for you. Okay, for the second method is you have to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Do not forget to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane and simply type this command sfc space / scan now. Okay, sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So the system file checker scan will begin the system scan. So do not close the window once the process is going on. So you just have to simply wait for this process to be 100% completed. And once completed, restart your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.